Hi, co-learners. It's nice to see you again here on our session. Now, I'm going to teach you on integrating images and external materials on this application, on this software, Microsoft Word. Integrating or inserting pictures in our document is something that could make our work fun, or it may improve the impression of your file or your document. And a common tool being used in Microsoft Word is inserting a picture when you are creating a resume or doing your paper, term paper, or even a research paper. Though it may look like simple to do, but your knowledge on different kinds of material that you're about to insert or integrate in this Word document and its characteristics can somehow help you to create a more efficient, richer document, not only having its content, but also the physical appearance. And a better understanding of the physical form of your document, as well as the different materials to integrate in it on this document, would allow you to be more efficient and versatile. Okay, so let me show you a demonstration on how are you going to integrate or insert materials. Let me start on this button. Just click the insert. There. So inserting a picture or an image in your document is quite easy. What is challenging here is how to place your picture or your image on the content of your page. Now, let's find out on how are you going to use the different characteristics of text wrapping option. So this is a tool whereas you can easily place in a manner that you want where you want to place your image in the file, in the document you are working. Okay, so let's try to insert a picture. It's easy if you have already your picture in your computer. You just simply click the picture instead of downloading, or before inserting an image, you can download it first. All right, so let's take a look at this one. From the downloads, there, I have an existing images here. So let me use this one. Let me try. There. So here it is, an inserted image on the document. Now, the problem here or the challenge here is where to put or how are you going to organize your document. Let's start with the wrap text. Okay, you can just simply right click this one if you want to use the different characteristics of the wrap text. Okay, or you can click this one on the formatting. Okay, so before you can format this one, just click the image and then go to format and then click the wrap text. Or instead, you can also right click the image. Okay, either of the two. So this time, let's start with the inline with text. Okay, so this is actually already a wrap text, an example of the wrap text in line with text. This is the default setting normally. So default setting ito when you insert an image to your document. It treats your image like a text font with the bottom side totally aligned with the text line. Then this setting is usually used when you need to place your image at the beginning of the paragraph. So that's easy, very, very common and basic when you inserted an image. So that's it. That's the inline with text. What about the next one? Let's try the next one, the square. So this a characteristic of wrap text allows the image to be placed anywhere within the paragraph with the text going around the image in a square pattern like a frame. So let's try this option. Under this option, you can move around. There, you can place it anywhere on the text. And if you want to resize your image, you just simply click Shift and then this one. Why is it there's an option for you to use the Shift button? So that it may not be easily be it may not be easily distorted. Okay, it may not be distorted or hindi siya stretched. So para ano pa rin siya, as is and proportion pa rin. So again, just click first the shift button and then resize. There you go. As you can see, hindi naman siya nagbabago. Proportion pa rin, no? So that's the square. You can place it anywhere. There. So let's use the another characteristic, which is the tight. Okay. This characteristic of wrap texting is almost the same with the square. But here the text hugs or conforms to the general shape of the image. So naka-conform siya sa general image nung general shape ng image. So you don't need to use the shift button for you to resize it kasi it's conforming. And it allows you to get a more creative effect on your document. This setting can mostly be achieved if you're using an image that supports the transparency like the GIF or the PNG file. Okay, that's the type. Okay, next. All right, what about the next one, which is the through? There. This characteristic allows the text on the document to flow even tighter, taking the contours and shape of the image. This can be used with, again, with PNG or GIF. Okay. But commonly, people use the PNG file on the document more than the GIF. Okay. So there, as you can see on your screen, this is how it goes. There. Okay. Next. What about the top and bottom? This setting pushes the text away vertically to the top and or the bottom of the picture that it occupies, so that the place where it occupies on the text, on the whole text, can be formatted according to what you want. Okay? So the picture occupies a whole text line on its own. Like for example, there. So it automatically moved top and or bottom. If you place it on the top, if you place it on the bottom. Okay? Now, the next tool is whereas you can create, or you can place the image behind the text. It allows your picture to be dragged and placed anywhere on your document, but with all the text floating in front of this image. As you can see, the texts are not moving. It is just the image is just behind the text. Okay, so this is somehow being used in the designs or making your document creative. You can just adjust the brightness of the picture so that your text could be visible. Okay, so that's the behind the text. Next, in front of text. So definitely this characteristic allows the image to be placed right on top of the text, as if your image was dropped right on it. So it means whatever part of your text you place the image on, it will be covered by the inserted picture. So you can no longer see the text kasi nakaibabaw na siya. Okay? So you can use this in effectively with JPEG file or PNG. So that's the different characteristics of the wrap text. Okay? I hope you learned something from the use or on how to the image placement with the different characteristics of wrap text. So you just follow this easiest option and apply it on your laptop or personal computer. All right. Thank you and God bless you all, co-learners. Have a nice day.